Hello everyone, how to towards back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to use AI interior design interior application. So first of all, you make sure that this app is installed in your device, then simply tap on the open button. So you can see here, simply tap the continue button, continue, let not know, continue. So this is not free. So what can you do? Just I'm going to tap on the recent generate. So you can see here, this is interior design and this is home. And if you want to try anything, like example, okay, going to try out inside. So now I'm just going to tap image, empty room. So you can see this is the empty room here. Done it. So I can say you can choose the demo images through here. It's not demo, I'm just going to tap continue. And this is living room, custom style you can choose. Okay, so you just give to your rebuild building, and they give you can see. So it looks perfect. Actually they will give you, and you can regenerate. But in free mode you can see here their logo will be placed on your uh, picture. Then you can save it, and it will be saved, and you can get idea. So this is one things, and also there are a lot of option is here. But if you need to pro, then you can get all the features, fastest outcomes, unlimited design windows. So you can try.